You've been told money doesn't buy happiness. But guess what? Neither does being broke. People say money isn't everything. Yet every day, they wake up stressed about bills, skipping dreams because it costs too much. Why? Because deep down, they know the truth. Money matters. Let's break it down. Money isn't about greed. It's about freedom, about choices, about control over your life. If your mom is sick, can you help her without money? If you hate your job, can you walk away without money? If you want to follow your passion, can you do it broke? Exactly. Money equals options. Money equals time. And time. I didn't want to be rich to buy cars. I wanted to be rich so I never had to say no when my kid asked me for time. When you're broke, your brain actually works differently. Science shows it. You go into survival mode. You can't think long term. You can't plan. You react. So no, being broke doesn't just affect your wallet. It affects your mind, your growth, your future. Now here's a question most people never ask. Why do you want money? If your answer is to be rich, that's weak. That's a wish, not a reason. But if you say, I want to take care of my parents, I want to escape a job that's killing me, I want to build something bigger than me. Money flows faster when it has a reason to move. Here's another piece nobody talks about. Money doesn't listen to hope. It listens to clarity. Are you saying, I hope I get lucky someday? Or are you saying, I'm building something that deserves success? Speak like someone who's ready. Act like someone who can handle wealth. Because money is like a guest. It doesn't stay where there's confusion. It stays where there's structure, clarity, vision. But remember this, money is a tool, not a god. You can use it to help, build, lift, or you can let it use you. Ask yourself, am I in control of my money, or is it controlling me?